Hi, want to learn how to make this edit? Alright, let's get started! First, import your clips. If you don't have any footage, you can use built-in stock clips. There are plenty of spring-themed options available. Now, let's start with filters. Go to the Filters tab, then open the Spring category. We'll use a few different filters depending on the clip. For clips with blue flowers, try Spring Fresh to bring out the blue tones. For purple flowers like wisteria, use Lilac Breeze to enhance those colors. And for cherry blossoms, Blush Picnic works great to highlight the pink tones. Next, let's add transitions. Go to the Transitions tab and search for Travel Journal Transition. You can place them between your clips to make everything flow smoothly. For the last transition, we'll be using Valentine's Photo Book 1. Now, let's add some decorative elements. Go to Effects and search for Spring. Add Spring Overlay 01. Next, let's add Spring Blossoms Pack Overlay 2. And for the last clips, we'll add Mother's Day Pack Overlay 1. For the text, go to Titles, then Title Templates, and scroll down to the Spring category. Use Spring Pack Title 1 for your intro and customize the text however you like. Then add Spring Pack Lower Title to label locations. Copy-paste the text for your other clips, and you're done! That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching! If this helped, feel free to like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.